Hi, this is Marty again. We're talking about cleaning up my area on the side of the house. It's a several step process, but basically what I do is I'll clean about the first inch and a half to 2 inches of soil and debris on the top, removing all the weeds, using a broom to sweep away all the good stuff, pour it into a pile, collect the pile of dirt in a little pot. And I take that little pot and I walk it up to my little screening area over there, and as you can see, there's one there just put up there. I sift it, let the soil come out, and then what I do is I go through the top remnants of the tray and pull out the weeds, throw the weeds out, and then whatever is left of the mulch, I'll just throw it into the pile over there, and then I add fresh mulch over here. So it's like a two-step process. Makes me happy, keeps me controlling the weeds. I can get to monitor my whole bed of unusual plants and monitor new growth, new seedlings, new cuttings, and prep the area to put the mulch down, and then shred some of the plants that I'm in the process of relocating and monitoring. So thank you for stopping by. Please like the video. Any comments? We're all ears. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.